So to find the z-value between two means, we're going to type this into the first line in Desmos, and we're going to start by just doing the divide bar. So you can hit backslash on your keyboard, and that will pop up your fraction. And so the first part of this is the mean 1 minus the mean 2. So in our example, we have a mean x bar 1 is 84 minus x bar 2 is 80. And that's my numerator, so I'm done with that. So now in the denominator, I am going to insert a square root. And then I'm also going to put in another divide bar. And you can actually kind of set this up for your two fractions that are on the bottom. And so for this first fraction, our numerator is our standard deviation from our population standard deviation. So in this case, we had 10. And this is going to be 10 squared. And it's over our sample size. So the sample size of group 1 was 50. Our second fraction is our population standard deviation from our second set of numbers, which was 12, and make sure to square it. And then over our sample size, which was 45, or n sub 2. And so we get a z value of 1.75, which means that our sample means are about 1.75 standard errors apart. And then to just take this further and see the probability of this happening. So z-scores fall under that normal standard deviation. We're not going to use an actual z-test for this. We're going to use normal distribution. And we are looking for we'll say the probability, and it's going to be plus or minus 1.75. So I could put negative 1.75 here, and then positive 1.75. And again, so that would give me that inside area, so that probability between. You can click outer, and that gives me a probability of 0.08 or 8%. If I wanted to know to the left of, we'll just say the 1.75. And then again, greater than is even less than that.